Welcome to EZM News You Can Use, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Kevin P. Wynn of Equity Zone Mortgage, a trusted mortgage provider for homebuyers. Now here's your EZM News.
Okay, today we're going to talk about when the best time is to do certain updates on your home. Timing renovations can be tricky. The sooner you remodel, the longer you have to enjoy your beautiful new home. But if you remodel too far in advance of selling, everything's going to look outdated by the time you list your home. Here's a yearly schedule broken down that will help you know when to update what. Let's start with 7 to 10 years before selling. The first thing you want to be looking at is landscaping. Most landscaping looks better as shrubs and trees mature. Another thing to look at is the garage door. Nothing increases curb appeal like a new garage door, and since they last for decades, they're an enduring investment. The third thing to look at is a roof. Buyers still consider a roof new if it's only 7 years old. Now let's move to 5 years before selling. First, let's look at major systems. Buyers like to see plumbing or HVAC systems that have been replaced within 5 years. The front door. A new front door has great curb appeal, especially if it hasn't endured the elements for too many years. Now let's move to 2 years before selling. Kitchen and bathroom renovations are a great thing to think about at this point. They'll still look new by the time you sell. Also, declutter. This gives you lots of time to clear away everything that robs space and detracts buyers. And lastly, home inspection. Do it early so you can make any necessary repairs. And now let's move to 1 year before selling. At this point, consider redoing your flooring. Buyers love the look and smell of recently refinished floors and new carpets. Also, paint jobs. New paint makes the whole house look bright and fresh. Accessories. Replace shower curtains, plumbing fixtures, chair cushions, bedding, etc. So there you have it. I've just given you a yearly breakdown outlining when it's smart to do certain updates. For more information on how you can use your home equity to fund your renovations, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of EZM News You Can Use. If you have any questions or comments, please call Kevin today at 925-759-3376.